Right, so this is a pretty interesting model that SYM has decided to put out on the market. They have decided to take the Maxsym 400 and turn it into what they have affectionately called the Maxsym 400 GT. Now, this is not an overly the top optioned out scooter or something like that. This is exactly how it comes from the factory. So we have a bigger windscreen with a bespoke phone mount. We have, they say a modified seat, but I think it's pretty much the same seat. We have some metal running boards, and we also have the GV50 liter top case included as standard on a new rear rack. They have decided to try to make separate models. Instead of just giving you one model and you having to put all the accessories on, they have decided to come out with a model that's fully accessorized. So they decided the Maxsym 400 would be a perfect GT option, and I completely agree with that. The windscreen does retain the same adjustment mechanism as on the regular Maxsym 400, even though it's actually quite larger. You do have protection for your hands. You still have the same LED lights, the same dual rotors front disc brakes with TCS and ABS. Quite an interesting GT option from SYM.